Huawei is expanding the MediaPad lineup with yet another tablet, the MediaPad M5 Lite, a mid-range slate that's expected to go on sale very soon. The MediaPad M5 Lite will be available for purchase in champagne gold and space gray for a price that will be revealed at a later date. Huawei has quietly launched a new tablet called the MediaPad M5 Lite. The new tablet features an aluminium unibody build and sports a quad-speaker setup. The tablet sports a 10.1-inch display with a resolution of 1920 x 1200 pixels. It also sports a display aspect ratio of 16:10. Powering the device is a mid-range Kirin 659 SoC. The Huawei MediaPad M5 Lite is available in two variants. One with 3 GB RAM and 32 GB of storage and the other with 4 GB RAM and 64 GB storage. The tablet packs a 7500 mAh battery and Huawei notes that it supports the company's M Pen Lite stylus. However, the availability of the stylus with the tablet will vary depending on the region. The MediaPad M5 Lite runs on EMUI 8.0, which is based on Android Oreo v8.0. The most notable feature of the new tablet is the quad-speaker setup. The company notes that the speakers have been tuned by Harman Kardon and feature Huawei's Histen 5.0 sound system. The device is available in champagne gold and space gray color variants. For now, let's take a look at what the slab has to offer in terms of specs. As the title says, one of the most intriguing features is the quad speakers that have been co-developed with Harman Kardon. Also, the slate comes with Android 8.0 Oreo on board and a large 10.1-inch display with 1920 x 1200 pixels resolution and 16:10 aspect ratio. Although it's a light version of the original MediaPad M5, the new tablet is equipped with a decent Kirin 659 processor, and either 3 GB RAM and 32 GB storage or 4 GB RAM and 64 GB storage. On top of that, the MediaPad M5 Lite comes with M Pen Lite stylus that features advanced 2048 layer pressure sensitivity. According to Huawei, the stylus may be sold separately or in box, so it will probably depend on the region. Last but not least, Huawei's mid-range tablet packs a massive 7500 mAh battery that should take less than 3 hours to fully charge thanks to the quick charge technology. The only things that still remain a mystery are when it will be available and how much it will cost.